Hey everybody, Michael Prather, the Prather team, Keller Williams Bluegrass Realty. I am down in Magnolia Pointe in Madison County. I'm at 721 Shaker Drive. This house is soon to be completed. It just has the little final touch-ups that needs to be done, get the final cleaning, and this is ready for its new owner. This house is 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a half bath. It's almost 1,750 square feet for a tremendous value of $345,900. This home can be yours. So every Saturday and Sunday, we have open houses here, 1 to 4 p.m. And I want you guys to be able to notice the fishing ponds that we have, walking trails throughout the community. We have a dog park that we're going to show you here momentarily. A lot of open green space, and we've got the new phase that's being cut in right now that are some of the best lots that developers in their 30 years of doing this say that we've got our hands on. So houses ready for immediate occupancy, or if you don't see what you like that we have, let's build the perfect house for you. So come out and see us and check us out, pratherteam.com.